This is a very much important concept. You have to remember many of the questions are related to this. We will discuss here also, and in your exam also number of questions has been asked from this concept also. And for this also we will solve question. Don't worry, we will solve question at the end of the session. We will solve many of the questions related to this topics only. Now let us revise first. What is the relation between E and B? What we did that we know that around charge there is a region where at a point R we are having some electric potential energy and some electric field, and like this, some electric potential energy, electric potential, and some electric field at this point is we know. Now let us, if we are moving in this direction or this direction, any direction, dr, small displacement. Let us suppose at this point we get electric potential like this, U plus du, V plus dV, and E plus d, like this. Suppose this way, by moving r dr distance, value of the electric field, electric potential energy, and electric potential changes like this. There is a relation between this d change in potential electric field and electric potential. What is the relation? Relation is dV is equal to minus E dot dr. Okay, we are concerned here on focusing on formula and numericals. Okay, that's why I'm not discussing the derivation. Okay, now what we will do, we will proceed from initial to final point from here, and also there from initial to final point. And you remember this is a very much important formula, because number of questions have been asked from here. Similarly, by this only we can write as, since we got dV is equal to minus E dot dr, we can write from here also E is equal to dV by dr with negative sign, dV by, this is R, and dV by dr. This is very much important, 1 and 2, very much important. Okay, any doubt till now? Any doubt? We will discuss some questions also here. Okay, nice. Now let us discuss some question. You know integration now? Now first question, very much important, very important question. If suppose it is given that, electric field, if suppose it is given that, let me take one question. If it is given that electric field is like this, 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap, electric field is this, at electric field is this at point, let us suppose at point, any point, let us take at point, electric field is this much, at a point, let us think 0, -1 and 2. Okay, and we have to find electric field, this is given, and we have to find we have to find actually, okay, this point given, and also let us point, name this point as A. Find electric potential, at point B, and the B is 0, 0, 1. Also it is given that electric potential at point A, this point, it is given as 2 volt. Now we have to find the electric potential at B. This is a very good question. I made the question difficulty level some bit more than NEET question, so that if this question is solved, we can solve other question of NEET also. That's why I made some level up from NEET. So let us solve this question. You also try with me. Now, what we will do, it is given, we have to find, the question is that you have to find VB, that is electric potential at B. This is the question. We know what we will do. We will know, since it is given, that what is the step. Look at the step. dV is equal to minus E dot dr. This step, what we do, we replace like this. dV, sorry, it is not vector quantity. dV is equal to minus E. What we do, we replace this E by the value of electric field is given, that this much electric field given. So what we will do, we will do like this. We will do like this. What we will do, we will do like this. 2 I cap plus 3 j cap minus k cap, like this, and we will multiply this by like this. What we will multiply at since it is dr, for dr general representation is dx I cap, dy j cap, and dz k cap, like this. Okay, this is electric field and this is dr, and there is a dot product here. What we are doing, we have to move from initial to final point. Initial point is A, that is from initial point VA to VB, and here from point A to B. Let us check what is happening. What we will get, this will get integration of dV. We get VB minus VA here, left hand side, and here we see that they are dot product. We know dot product A dot B, since they are in vector form, what we will get, A1 A2 B1 B2 and C1 C2. What we will get, A1 A2, 2 into dx, 2 into dx plus 3 into dy, just multiplying coefficient of I cap with coefficient of I cap, coefficient of I cap, j cap, and coefficient of j cap, just multiplying. 3 into dy plus plus not minus dz, like this. Okay, now we will put here point. How? Now point A, what is the point A given? Point A is given here, you can see it is given 0 minus 1 and 2, and point B is given as 0 0 and 1, 0 0 and 1. Okay, any problem till now? We are just getting answer in our one or two step. Any problem till now? Any problem in mathematical part? Any problem? Any problem in mathematical part? Okay, nice. Now what we will do, VB minus VA. We know it is given that VA is 2 volt. At point A it is 2 volt. We can replace it by 2 is equal to, what we will do, since it is having 3 terms in integration, what we will do, we will break the integration in 3 parts, like this. First part, 2 dx plus 3 dy minus dz, limit x limit c 0 to 0, 0 to 0, y limit c minus 1 to 0, z you see 2 to 1, 2 to 1. What we are getting from here, we will get VB minus 2 is equal to limit 0 to 0. We will get 0 from here, 0. First term 0 plus second term 3 into dy integration. What we will get, dy integration, we can replace it by this 0 minus 1. That means plus 1. Now minus dz integration, what will happen? 1 minus 2. From here, after solving this, we will get VB is equal to 3 into 1, 3. Or from here, it is will be, I think 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 plus 4, and 4 plus 2, 6 volt. This will be the answer. Any problem till now? Any problem? This is a good question, and you will find a simple question in your exam with respect to this question. Any problem you can ask and discuss with me. Okay. Now, any problem you can discuss with me. Okay. What about negative sign? Let me see. What about negative sign? Okay, yes. Before E vector. Okay. Let me see. Oh yes. Oh yes, Nandini, good. Actually, I missed that sign. Okay, nice. Very nice. I missed that sign. I think just 1 minute. Let me change the color of the pen. Now, let me check. Let me check it. Now, what is happening? Here? Yes, negative sign here, negative sign. Okay, and negative sign. Yes. Here negative. Here negative, and here positive sign. Okay, what will happen? This will be minus 0. This will occur as minus 3, and this will be plus 2, plus here. So we will get here VB like this, minus 3 here, minus 3, and here plus 1, that is minus 2, and then we will get as VB is equal to plus 4, minus 3. I can once check, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2, it will 0 volt. I think it will 0 volt. I think. Okay, I have taken that sign. You can see, and thank you for looking so good. Okay, so good. I am very much impressed. So attentive student. Good.